Welcome back, fellow road warriors and adventure seekers. Today we are diving deep into something truly exciting, a speculative look at the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper motorhome. What features might finally make this workhorse van the ultimate home? On wheels, let us explore performance, comfort, tech, and of course price in a way that speaks to both the gearhead and the laid-back traveler. First, let us ground our guesswork in known facts. The standard GMC Savana 3500 for 2026 is confirmed to start production on November 14, 2025. Dealers have already begun accepting orders as early as August 24, 2025. Cite GM Authority data, cite for clarity. Start of regular production, SORP, November 14, 2025, and order opening, August 24, 2025. Cite. The base Savana 3500 comes with two engine options. The tried and true 4.3-liter V6 that puts out about 276 horsepower and 298 pound-feet of torque, and the big brother 6.6-liter V8 delivering 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. Both are paired with GM 8-speed automatic transmission sitting on the towing front. With the V6, you can tow up to around 300 pounds on extended wheelbase versions, while the V8 jumps that to as much as 9,600 pounds, depending on config for cargo van variants. The V8 even pushes towing capacity to 10,000 pounds. Cite ESO. Now imagine a camper conversion of that platform. The Savana camper would likely ride on the 3500 chassis, benefiting from the heavier gross vehicle weight rating, nearly 900 pounds, and rear axle load capacity about 6,084 pounds, cite in our hypothetical camper motorhome. We envision the 6.6 V8 as the heart of this beast, giving both power and torque, headroom to tow extra gear, and supply smooth highway cruising. The 276 V6 might feel underpowered with full living amenities on board, though still reliable and efficient. Speed test. Imagine launching this camper from 0 to 60. The power of that V8 should land the Savana camper in the mid-8-second range with highway merge overtakes, feeling confident even uphill. We don't have official numbers here, but extrapolating from truck data, that engine delivers strong performance in heavy-duty rigs. A just tone, speculative yet plausible. Now inside the cabin, let us consider technical comfort elements. Our camper conversion would include built-in lithium-ion battery system, perhaps a 200 amp-hour bank paired with a 2,000-watt pure sine inverter to run small appliances, USB-C outlets, recessed dimmable LED lighting, solar input pre-wiring, and a smart charger to keep those batteries topped when plugged into shore power or via the alternator. When driving, a battery charging system could realistically replenish a dead charge in about 2 hours at 25 amps shore power, or trickle charge via alternator overnight. While the engine runs, power from that battery bank would run everything from a small camper fridge, LED reading lights, maybe a roof vent fan, 12-volt outlets, and phone charging infrastructure for a full day or two off-grid depending on solar supplementation. Include a 110-volt plug for laptop chargers and the occasional blender. But full-size aircon running off battery would require generator or plugging in high-amp shore power. Let US highlight. Design features a clean aerodynamic camper body built atop the Savana frame with fiberglass molded over the box to reduce wind drag and noise. A pop-top or high roof offering standing room around 6 feet 1 inch and integrated roof rails for solar panels and gear. Inside layout might include a rear lounge that converts into a bed, a compact kitchenette with sink 2-burner induction cooktop, and small fridge. A sliding bathroom module with cassette toilet, perhaps fold-out basin, flexible, modular storage under seats and overhead cabinets, insulation and blackout shades for comfort in all climates. Exterior design cues follow GMC's sharp headlights, grille and squared stance, maybe enhanced tow mirrors, integrated step bumper, and optional side awning for outdoor lounging. Now price. This projected camper, GMC Savana 3500 cargo or passenger van, starts around $48,000 for 2025. Figures for 3500 passenger version, about $48,000 to $550 USD. Site convert rough local prices for audience awareness. So adding camper conversion options, fiberglass shell windows, utilities, cabinetry, solar, and mattress. We estimate final sales price between $80,000 to $100,000 USD, depending on fit and finish, custom features. So what do you need to know? Bottom line, expect a rugged, capable base, The production starts November 14, 2025, ordered since August 21, 2025, and powered by robust V6 or V8 engines. The 6.6-liter V8 offers nearly double the torque and towing compared to the V6, ideal for heavy conversions with a smart battery and charging system. You get off-grid flexibility with shore power, recharging quicker, 2-hour top-up if needed, while the design gives you a compact, efficient box, yet spacious interior. Layout for living comfort. Speed-wise, you get decent acceleration around mid-8 seconds, 0-60 for a full motorhome and stable highway. Cruising designly, the camper body could be aerodynamic fiberglass with integrated solar roof rails, standing headroom, and modular interior, giving layman-friendly ease and technical adaptability. Price-wise figure: $48,000 USD base plus $30,000 to $50,000 for full conversion. Estimating $80,000 to $100,000 USD total, rounding out expectations. Clearly, so there you have it, a balanced mix of real technical specs from GMC, what is confirmed production engine towing and GVWR, topped with a thoughtful projection of camper features, battery charging, performance, design, pricing, and comfort scenario. Everything you need to know to get excited about what a 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper motorhome could become. Thanks for watching. Drop your dream camper ideas in the comments and hit subscribe for more concept deep dives and real-world vehicle breakdowns. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your campfires lit.